From the sunny beaches of Florida to the snowy streets of North Philadelphia, welcome to another episode of Rolling with Nick Campus Edition. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and today we are at Temple University with famous alumni such as Jill Scott, Tamron Hall, Kevin Hart, and me. We are traveling through Templetown to see everything that they have to offer. As always, I cannot go to every single building because this video will be an hour long, but we're gonna see some of the important places here at TU. So what are we waiting for? Come along and let's check it out. All right, y'all, so we are here at my favorite place here at Tomlinson Theater at Temple University. So this is where all your main stage productions are gonna be. Also, they have the scene shop here. It's just such an amazing place for creatives to come together. The shows are freaking amazing. So let's go ahead and see what inside has to offer. All right, y'all, so here we are in the lobby of the Tomlinson Theater. So this is where you have all the main stage productions. Right outside of Tomlinson Theater, we have the School of Media and Communication, which is an amazing department here at Georgia State University. And in this building, you have the Career Services, you have the TU TV Studios, you have advising, and you have the Randall Theater, which is the Black Box Theater. And you know, you have Tomlinson, which is going to be the main stage, as we just saw. And then we have the Black Box in here, which is the Randall Theater. This is an amazing place, and this is also going to be where you have all the theater students. They hang out here before, after class, and it's just such an amazing place to be. And then right across the street from the School of Media and Communication, you have the Architecture School. So it's just a really artsy place over here. And now as we make our way back down towards the Tomlinson Theater, you're going to see a whole lot of food trucks just lined up. It's really winter break right now, so it's not as many, but trust me, it's a lot of food trucks during the school time. All right, everyone, so here we are outside of Presser Hall, which is the home to the Boyer College of Music and Dance and the Tyler School of Architecture. It's a really amazing place inside. Wish I could show you all inside, but it's amazing. So if you get the chance to tour it, please come ahead and check it out. All right, everyone, so here I am on Liacouras Walk. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure, I never said it right before, but here I am, and to my left, we have 1940 Residence Hall. And if I'm not mistaken, I think that's just for freshmen. I'm not sure, so don't quote me on that. But also we have 7-Eleven, Subway, so many different places. If you want to grab coffee on your way to class, bam, 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 you have it right there at 7-Eleven. You have a restaurant, a little place called Pita Pita. It's so many different places to go on this trip. So you have a lot of different options. All right, y'all, so this is the new Charles Library. So this library was built for the modern day learner, and it has so many amazing features. It has the Student Success Center, has 3D printers, virtual reality, and so much more. So if you get a chance to go and check it out, I say go for it. All right, this is another angle of the Charles Library. Pretty much the front. It's really nice. It's really nice. Modern. All right, so also on Minton Hall, also on Liacouras Walk, not too far from the library, we have the Minton Hall, which hosts special events, but also they are home to a variety of student, alumni, community, and faculty services like the Career Center and all that good stuff. All right, and then literally right across the pathway from Minton Hall, we have the Sullivan Hall, which is home to the Executive Office of the President, Senior Administration Offices, and the Charles L. Blockson Afro-American Collection. All right, then over here we have the bell tower. This is a place where a lot of people come together. They have the football pep rallies over here, and it's just like, it's really nice, especially during the warm months. Right now is winter break, so nobody's really here, but this is the bell tower right here, over close next to the new library. And then here to your left is the Samuel Paley Library, which is the older library. Right next to the Samuel Paley Library, you have the Tuttleman Learning Center. All right, y'all, so this is the famous Fox School of Business. It is an amazing business school, and I heard it's really difficult to get into, but this is right here by Speakman Hall and right across from Tuttleman Learning Center. And then as we move our way down to the left, we are going to be right here at the Student Center, and it's renovated it about 2 years ago. It's completely different. All right, y'all, so on the lower level, we have the bookstore, the launch pad, the graphics media center, the credit union, and there's a FedEx or UPS store over here. And this right here is the bookstore. You can get your books here, gear, and all that stuff. All right, y'all, so here I am, inside of the Howard Giddy Student Center, and right now we are in the food court. They have so many restaurants. They have Which here. They have Chick-fil-A Express. They have vending machines. What else do they have over here? They have Twisted Taco. Also, they have a really nice seating area for you and your friends, and you can get homework done over here. It's just so many different places. They have BurgerFi. Oh my gosh, but one thing I did hear is that they're expensive. They are expensive. But that's expected. They also have a Japanese food fast. There's so many different places. They did not have all this when I was here at all. And also, they have Pita Echo, made the halal way. Yeah, they have a lot of halal places over here. So yeah. All right, y'all. So right next to Student Center South, we have the Weiss Hall for Psychology and Speech. I don't know. There's not too much elaboration to go with that one. But yeah. All right, everyone. So here I am outside of Morgan Hall. Very expensive, but it is really, really, really nice. They have the dining, Morgan Hall restaurant dining. They have great places in there. And also they have the sideline shop over here. And then across from there, you have the Cecil B. Moore transportation, which is the SEPTA. And I know that's a question that other people have, like, how do I get around if I don't have a car? SEPTA is going to take you everywhere in Philly that you need to go to. You have the buses, you have the regional rails, you have Temple University's SEPTA station, that's the regional rail station. And then also over here by Morgan Hall, you have a Fresh Grocer restaurant. You have a whole plaza with Smoothie King, Wendy's. And this is, you can get to Morgan Hall right after you exit. It's over here by Ritter Hall. You're gonna cross the crosswalk, and then here you are at Morgan Hall. So it's a bunch of things over here, a bunch of plazas. You have Dunkin' Donuts. There's a 1617 barbershop over there. So yeah. All right, y'all. So here's the Leah Corris Center. And then right across from the Leah Corris Center, you have the James E. Beasley School of Law of Temple University. All right, y'all, so this is where the old track used to be at. Wow, I didn't even notice they did this to the old track, but they have a new track somewhere else close by, but I'm not walking there today because I'm not really sure where it's at, but this is where the old track is. Wow, they condensed it down to 2 lanes, and it's right by the parking at the Leah Corris Center. So this is the view from over here. All right, and this is a South Turf Field. All right, y'all, so this is the famous Tech Center. I know when I went here, this was so popular at night. People spend all night here studying for finals. They have a lot of computers in here and all that good stuff. One thing I can say, they have a lot of police over here, which is really good. So it's called the Bell Building, home to the Tech Center. Well, everyone, that ends our journey here at Temple University. Thank you so much for tuning into yet another episode of Rolling with Nick Campus Edition. I hope I was able to help. I hope I was able to show you all as much as I could show you all. I know I'm so sorry I'm not able to show you all everything because this video will probably be like an hour long. But I hope that this video helped you all whatever you needed help with. So until the next episode, please make sure you all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, tell your friends so you won't miss any of the latest content. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.